The Vera Mitchell building in central Leicester is in the perfect location to tap into high levels of ongoing rental demand from quality tenants. It's almost directly adjacent to Leicester Royal Infirmary and only 200 metres away from De Montfort University, in an area where there's a huge undersupply of accommodation, causing rapid increases in short and long-term rental prices. There's a mix of completed one-bedroom and studio apartments ready for immediate occupancy, with prices starting from £180,000. This is a really solid buy-to-let rental investment in a great location that should deliver a return on investment of anywhere up to 9% net. As master agents, Portico can help you secure the best prices, offer help with UK mortgage lenders or setting up a limited company, provide a full property management service post-completion, and even develop a tailored strategy for building your portfolio. To get started or to find out the latest availability and pricing, register today and one of our investment team will be in touch.